Welcome back to the Keto Bistro. So today it is Wednesday. It's weigh-in Wednesday. So we're going to check the results for end of week 6. So based on the chart, it looks like I will still be in the healing phase. So I'm not expecting dramatic weight loss. Hopefully I will have some weight loss, but if not, I understand. I do have increased energy and I am feeling fuller. So let's get on the scale and see. 202.0. So a little more than a pound lost. That's good. I'll take it. One of the things that's changed this week is I'm not feeling dehydrated, but I was getting cramps because I don't think I'm getting enough potassium and some of my other electrolytes. So I've added more Gatorade Zero. I'll get a small one and I'll drink half at lunch and half at supper. I'm also adding a new chart. So I've added my 202 weight, and I'm going to mark off as I go down just to track easy. So some of the new meals I've added to my video list on YouTube. The bacon wrapped cheeseburger log is delicious. The keto chicken and shrimp Zamora fajitas are delicious. They're a little bit different than regular fajitas. I've added bacon and jalapenos. And then I've also started meal prepping my bacon. So on Sundays, I will make at least one batch, maybe two. And now I also want to add some tricep workouts. So this is not mine. This is Christina Carlisle. Just easy, lazy tricep workouts goes with my easy, lazy keto lifestyle. So I'm going to try the overhead extension and the diamond push-up. So I bought some 8-pound weights at Walmart, and I'm just going to add those two to my daily routine. And I may not get to it every day, but if I can make a habit right before I go to bed just to do some triceps, hopefully I can take away that saggy skin. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.